Hi, I'm Stuart from SRB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. So I'm back on this job in Hurst today. I haven't been here for a while. Things have progressed quite a bit since I've been here. The roof's all finished now, so let's have a walk round. A lot of my lead work is also finished. The painters are finished as well. Still got guttering to go on. So there's a couple of apron corners to do here. There's a bit of step flashing to do in there. Another couple of apron corners to go in here. It's lovely views working here. So most of these aprons are finished as well. So all these dormers are ready for tile hanging. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is these two apron corners here. So let's get a bench set up and get that organised. Okay, that's my bench set up now. So let's get these apron corners made. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the pitch of the roof using a sliding bevel. Now some people will position their bevel there to get the angle for their apron, but bearing in mind this lead apron corner is going to be up round here as well. So if you then put that angle in that position, you can see that's off. So what I tend to do is to put my bevel in that position there and just slide this bit here until it's in line with the front of the jamb. So I'd say that's our angle. So then if you transfer that to the front, you can see that angle is very different. So that's where I always take my angle from. So now we've got our angle, let's mark this on the lead. Okay, we need a couple of bits at 750. I think I'll get one out of this piece here. Got 150mm for our wing, 150mm upstand, and we'll leave the rest coming down the roof at the moment, but we will trim that off later. We can transfer our angle that we've just taken. I'm just going to position the bevel in that position there. lightly scribe that. It's going to be our fold line. Okay, that's one. Let's do the same again. Opposite of what we've just made. So we've got 150mm for our wing, 150mm upstand, rest coming down the tiles for now. And the angle goes in that position there. Okay, that's those apron corners knocked up. So now they're knocked up, what I need to do now is get the gussets welded in. There's one to go in there, and one to go in there. Once I've got those welded in, I'll be able to get these two apron corners fitted. That's the gussets welded in on those apron corners now. I've just temporarily tacked them into position. So now I've done that, what I need to do now, just cut them in on that line there. That section then will fold round. We can dress all that down and then we can weld the internal gussets. That's the gussets tacked into position now. So I'm just going to take these apron corners out, weld these on the bench. That's the gussets welded in there now, and I've just given this a coat of patination oil. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOBLeadworks. For inquiries, you can email sobleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.